Welcome to our tutorial on how to add effects to your video call on Instagram. Let's dive into the steps to enhance your video chats. Step 1. Open Instagram on your Android device. Ensure you have the latest version of the app installed. Step 2. Start a video chat by initiating a call with the person you wish to connect with. Make sure they accept the call to begin the video chat. Step 3. While in the video call, locate the effects icon on the left side of the screen. Tap on it to bring up the effects list at the bottom of the screen. Step 4. Explore the available filters by swiping left or right on the effects list. Take your time to preview different filters and effects to find the perfect one for your video chat. Step 5. Once you find an effect or filter you like, simply tap on it to apply it to your video call. The effect will be immediately visible during the call, adding a fun and creative touch to your conversation. By following these steps, you can easily add effects to your video calls on Instagram, making your chats more engaging and enjoyable. Try out different effects to personalize your video calls and have some fun with your friends and family. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you enhance your Instagram video calling experience with exciting effects and filters. Enjoy your upgraded video chats on Instagram.